looting the money? Who is looting the money? And suddenly you are saying that during the election course of time, suddenly Adani became your enemy? Ambani became your enemy? People are totally confused. Why you got 250? Because of the confusion you got 240. Sir, I charge. Sir, Amitya Sen, I want to quote again. Somebody mentioned the last session. Two people are selling India. I do not want to mention the name. Two people are buying India. This is the government of Modi. Having said that caste system is there. Caste system is there. Sir, my forefather, sir, I belong to scheduled caste according to law. In my family, all castes came into existence. Still, I am being branded as Dalit. What is my forefather? My forefather used to go for Sri Lanka because they are having no money here, because of poverty, because of innocence, because of illiteracy. See, my forefathers went to Sri Lanka because of poverty and illiteracy. The grandson of the forefather standing before the parliament, sitting with Rahul Gandhi and opposing Modi. My daughter is studying in London, the famous university. Who did it? Who did it? All these things done by Periyar and Ambedkar, Anna, Dr. Kalaignar, Dravidian ideology. We want to have a Dravidian ideology senses. Sir, you are claiming Hinduism. Yes, we are all Hindus. The difference is which Hindus you are. I am a Hindu according to law and constitution. Since I am not a Mohammedan, since I am not a Christian, since I am not a Buddhist, since I am not a Parsi, I am a Hindu. The law says this is Hindu. If you are really having worry about the Hindus and integration of Hinduism, you must have caste-based census.
Exactly.
The reason is, I may be permitted to take 5 minutes more because I want to celebrate our religion, provided it should give equal opportunity to everybody.
Yes.
That's all. We are not against God. If you say love is the God, if you say fraternity is the God, if you say something, humanity is God, yes, we want to see. Even we are ready to accept Modi as a God-man, provided you should be having such a qualification. The problem is you are having no such qualification, we cannot believe it. Sir, what is caste census?